Hello children, wish you all a good study time. All of you listen to me properly. Okay, today I am going to take second lesson of your English reader book. The lesson name is Magnificent Mary. Magnificent, the word meaning of magnificent is excellent, or you can say super, very beautiful, etc. So all these meanings are fit for the person about whom we are going to discuss in this lesson. It is about Mary Kom. Have you heard about Mary Kom? She is a boxer who has made Indians proud by winning or achieving so many medals and awards. Okay, so let's come to the lesson. So first of all, I will just read paragraph by paragraph and I will just explain to you the meaning of those paragraphs. Okay, so Mangte Chugnejang Mary Kom was born on 1st March 1983 to Mangte Tonpa Kom and Mangte Akham Kom. So in this paragraph you have to take care of two things. First of all, the full name of Mary and when she was born, and about the names of her parents. She was born on 1st March 1983 and her parents are Mangte Tonpa Kom, her father's name, and Mangte Akham Kom. So she was born on 1st March 1983. Parents Mangte Tompa Kom and Mangte Akham Kom. These names you have to know clearly. Now, second paragraph, though Mary's middle name means prosperous, being the eldest of four siblings, she had to work very hard along with her parents to fend for her family. Along with going to school, she had to take care of her younger siblings and work in the fields to help her parents. Her middle name I suppose Chugnejang. It's a middle name. Its meaning is prosperous. Prosperous means very rich. Now she was the eldest of the siblings. So she had brothers and sisters. Siblings means brothers and sisters. And she was the eldest. And being elder in the house, she had to work very hard with her parents to fend for her family. To fend for means to look after her family. So her parents were working hard and she also had to help her parents to look after the family. And also she had to take care of her younger siblings. That means younger brothers and sisters. She also worked in the field with her parents. Now the third paragraph, after studying in different schools up to class 8 in Moirang, she moved to Adim Jadi High School, Imphal for classes 9 and 10. So she studied in Moirang up to class 7, then she went to Adim Jadi High School, Imphal for class 9 and 10. When she failed, but when she failed to pass the matriculation exam, she quit school. So what happened? She failed in matriculation exam. That means she failed in the 10th standard examination, board examination. She quit the school. That means she left the school. She stopped studying. However, later she completed her schooling and also did her graduation from Churanchandpur College. So she failed in 10th standard, but she did not stop studying. Later, means after some time, she completed her schooling. That means she studied 10th and plus 2 and all, and she did her graduation in Churanchandpur College. Okay. Now, As a student, she was a keen athlete and also played other sports such as hockey and football. She was an athlete. She was an eager athlete, and also she was very interested, and she took part in the sports like such as hockey and football. Okay. Now, though she is the most famous boxer from India, strangely she had never learned boxing as a student. She is a very famous boxer of India, but she never learned or did any training on boxing. So it was only when boxer Dingo Singh from Manipur won the gold medal at the Asian Games that she became so inspired that she decided to learn professional boxing. So she was inspired by a person. You know who is that? He is Dingo Singh. He won the boxer. He was a boxer and he won gold medal at the Asian Games. You know Asian Games, it's a game, it's a festival of games we can say, and this competition takes place between different countries of Asia. So this person, Dingo Singh, won gold medal. From him she was inspired. Inspired means she was motivated. She got all the energy, or you can say she got all the motivation from this person, and she decided to learn this boxing professionally. That means under coach or under a trainer she decided to learn boxing. Next page. Mary had the toughest time convincing her own family before taking up the sport. So in the beginning her family, that means her parents and all, were against this her decision to become a boxer, and it was very difficult to convince her parents. Convince her parents means to make her parents understand about this particular about her decision. Her parents felt boxing was not for a girl. Moreover, her father felt nobody would marry her if she had a broken and bruised face. And what is the reason for her parents to oppose her decision? Her parents thought that boxing was not a game or not a profession or career for a girl, because it's about hitting and all those things, no? So her parents, not only that, her parents felt nobody will come and marry her, because while boxing there is a possibility of getting hurt or bruised face. That means when you hit somebody, some discoloration will happen in your skin. It may become red or bluish color and all. So if she was having such kind of faces and skin and all, people will not come and marry her. And so her parents, especially her father, was not ready to send her for this boxing. However, once Mary had made up her mind, she convinced her father and proved herself. But she had made up her mind. That means she had taken a strong decision, and what she did, she convinced her father, and she won in that, and she proved herself. Proved herself means she worked hard on that, and she finally won, or she became very confident, and she won so many medals. We will come to know about it. So next paragraph. Mary went to Imphal and requested the coach M. Narjit Singh at Manipur State Boxing to train her. So she went to Imphal and requested the coach. What is the name of that coach? M. Narjit Singh at Manipur State Boxing, and she started to take training under him. She was a dedicated and quick learner and impressed her coach by practicing much longer and harder than an average student. She was very dedicated. That means she had put her mind fully into that boxing training, and she practiced a longer time. That means she did lot of practice other than other trainees, and she worked hard on that training. And she chose the name Mary as she entered the world of professional sports, as it was easier to pronounce than Mangte Chugnejang. So in the beginning of the lesson we said her name is Mangte Chugnejang Mary Kom. So why did she select this Mary name? Because the Mary, the word was easy to pronounce than Mangte Chugnejang. Now when Mary got married in 2005, people felt that she could no longer have a career as a boxer. She got married in 2005 and people around her thought that now her career, her future is finished, because after marriage nobody will allow a lady to go for boxing, and also so many people thought that her career or her future as a boxer is finished. But her husband, Onler, a fellow sports person, was Mary's pillar of support and always encouraged her to go ahead. But her husband, his name is Onler, he was a fellow sports person. That means he was also a sports person along with her, and he was a pillar of support to her. Pillar of support means he gave strong support to her, and he encouraged her to carry on or to go on with her boxing career. When they had twins, you know what is the meaning of twins? Two offspring at one birth, okay? Twins. It was thought to be final nail in her coffin. So after her marriage, she got twins. That means two children at the same time. So everybody thought it was a final nail in her coffin. You know, coffin is a box where you keep dead bodies and during the burial and all. So it was a final nail, and when a final nail is hit on this coffin, that means that it's a phrase, its meaning is now there is no hope. Everybody thought it's over, it's finished, it is the worst thing to happen to her in her life. So already it is difficult to carry on a career like a boxing with the two children at the same time. But Mary, a woman of substance, proved them wrong once again. Mary was a woman of substance. Woman of substance means she had a strong decision, or she was very firm on her decision, and whoever thought that her career is finished, she proved them wrong. That means whatever they thought was wrong, she proved it. With Onler's support, she retrained and built back her stamina and strength. With the help of her husband, after delivery or after giving birth to two children at the same time, she entered into retraining and she built back her stamina. Stamina means it is the mental and physical endurance of a person and strength. So she was again made up her mind. She worked hard. She started to retrain and she regained her stamina and strength. She finally silenced her critics by winning the silver medal at the Asian Games in 2008 and the gold at AIBA's World Women's Boxing Championship in China. So after this, she surprised or she silenced her critics. Critics means people, those who feel that something is wrong and they say about it. They are called critics. And she silenced her critics. That means critics could not say anything further. Why? Because she won silver medal at the Asian Games in 2008 and gold at AIBA's World Women's Boxing Championship in China. AIBA, it is an organization, and she got 2 medals. Okay. So she was able to silence her critics. That means critics were no more able to say anything against her. In a sports person life, pressure is always there. You have to learn to deal with it, Mary says. So we have to learn a lesson from her. What is that? She says in sports person's life, a person who is in the sports field, that person will have a lot of pressure. And this person should learn to deal with these pressures. What is the meaning of deal with the pressure? Deal with it means we have to find solutions. So we are also under so much of pressure nowadays, right? So we have got a lot of problems due to coronavirus. So a lot of pressure is put on our parents, you and the world around. So we, all of us, are not sitting and saying, oh, it is all over. No, we are dealing with this problem. problem. We are finding solutions. When the schools are closed, we have switched on to online education. So we are dealing with it. So we like that. So this was the message given by Mary Kom. Okay. So we have to learn these things from her. We should not accept our failures when we have got difficult situations in our life. Among her many other achievements, she became the only Indian woman boxer to qualify for 2012 Summer Olympics and win the bronze medal, and she is also ranked number 4 in the world of women's boxing. So many achievements she has. We are listing down all those things. What are they? She became the only Indian woman boxer to qualify for 2012 Summer Olympics. Olympics, what is Olympics? Olympics is the festival of games for all the countries of the world. She was qualified for the 2012 Summer Olympics and she won prize which bronze, that means third prize medal, and she is also ranked number 4 in the world, okay, in 2012 among the women's boxing. She also brought laurels. What is the meaning of brought laurels? She won name and fame for our country. So the India was known to the world through her. That is what meant by brought laurels, name and fame to our country. Okay, and she got gold medal in 2014 Asian Games. Now our country, the next page, first paragraph, our country also awarded her with certain awards. What is that? Mary won the Padma Shri and later became the first amateur athlete to win the Padma Bhushan. So Indian government, the Republic of India, also awarded her with 2 awards. They are Padma Shri and Padma Bhushan for the first amateur athlete. Amateur athlete, what is the meaning of amateur given? Amateur given, someone who does something because he or she enjoys it and not do as a job. Amateur. So something you are doing because you like it, not because it is a job given to you. Suppose your mother is saying wash the dishes or water the plants. You are doing it because your mother said to do this. No. Amateur means you are doing it because you love to do this. Okay, to water plants I like, so I am doing. That is called an amateur. Okay, she was an amateur athlete. Her passion led her to winning the world amateur boxing not just once but 5 times. So not only once, 5 times she won world amateur boxing. Okay, then she is also the only woman boxer to have won a medal in each of the 6 consecutive world championships. Consecutive means continuous. So she continuously won 6 world championships in boxing. Okay, so many achievements we are seeing about Mary Kom. Now there is a soft side to this tiny but tough boxer. Not only she is a big supporter of animals' right and PETA. PETA is People for Ethical Treatment of Animals. It's also an organization. She has got a soft side. Boxing, when you hear about boxing, it is all about hitting, and also you may think that lady is very hard or that her lady is very cruel or crooked or something. No, she has got a very soft side of that. She is a supporter of animals' right, okay, and also she dislikes hurting her opponents during boxing. So during boxing there is a possibility that you can hurt other person. Opponent means the person who is against you. Okay, so there is a possibility, but she disliked hurting the other person or her opponent. Okay. So I always go and say sorry to them after the match if I inadvertently hurt anybody. Inadvertently means unintentionally. That means without knowing, by mistake or something. If somebody is hurt by her, she would go and say sorry to that person. Okay, now today, apart from participating in boxing herself, Mary runs a coaching institute for boxing with her husband. So now she is participating in boxing by herself, but apart from that, other than that, she is also running a coaching institute with her husband. Remembering her own tough beginning, she also teaches boxing to underprivileged youngsters for free. That means she knows that she is remembering her hard time. When she was young, she had to undergo a lot of difficult times. So she is keeping that in mind, and she is helping many underprivileged youngsters. Underprivileged means those who are poor, not able to finance. So she remembers her own beginning. Her own beginning was, that she underwent a lot of struggles, right? She had to work in the field, she had to look after her younger ones, she had to help her parents. So she is keeping all this in her mind, and she is also remembering the same type of people. They are that is meant by underprivileged, poor people, those who are not able to afford to go through these trainings and all, those who are not able to pay money for this training. She is giving free training to these people. So finally we can conclude that Mary is magnificent, right? Mary is magnificent because of all these reasons, so many reasons we discussed. So this lesson is, we are winding up this lesson once again saying that Mary is magnificent. That means Mary is excellent, super, beautiful, etc. Okay, thank you.